Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. It's gonna be very, she always does this right when I start videos. It's gonna be very random. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, you might not have seen this update. I paused so you can read it. If you need to read more, just go ahead and pause the video. Basically, there was an issue with the loan company and the documents, and it was this whole thing, and they did not get us the documents in time, so we cannot move in until Tuesday. Sad. Unfortunately, I'm gonna do my best to vlog that day and still get a moving day video up for you guys, but for now I just wanted to give you guys this little update. I'm not gonna edit this video very much, I don't think, at least. I'm gonna do a little hotel room tour, show you guys where we're gonna be for the next 3 days. Allie and I are about to go work out in the hotel gym, so we're just waiting on that. Everything is a little bit of a mess. We had to move rooms. We spent all day today, and we spent the night last night at our friend Grace's house. If you're watching this, thank you, we love you. Her amazing mom washed all of our clothes for us because we expected to be fully moved in to our house by now. It's Saturday when I'm filming this. Well, not fully moved in, obviously, but we did expect to be in our house and have access to all of our stuff, but that's all in storage now because we can't move until Tuesday. Anyway, my parents were scrambling yesterday trying to reorganize furniture deliveries, and I had my first day of school yesterday. That went really well. I'm excited to be back in person for the next little bit, and then we go back online, and then we go back in person. So it's just been crazy, but I think it's a little bit of a blessing that everything, although it sucks because we expected to be moved in this weekend, did not go according to plan because we all kind of needed a little bit of a moment to relax. We had everything done and our whole weekend freed up because we expected to be moving, but obviously that is not the case. So I just thought I would give you guys this update because I know you were expecting a move-in vlog today. Sadly, can't give that to you quite yet, but I did want to give you guys this update. I'm gonna do a little hotel room tour, like I said, and vlog the rest of this day, even though it's like nothing. Welcome to our humble abode. So this is me and Allie's side. This is my parents' side. It looks very similar, except there's just one bed in there. We have a desk over here, this little area where we can sit, do homework, watch TV, all that. And then we do have a little kitchen over here, which is really nice. There's a fridge, microwave, all that. We are gonna go to Trader Joe's later today or tomorrow morning and stock up on some food and lunches for school, but other kitchen stuff is in here. And there's a dishwasher, so it's kind of like a little apartment in here. Then you walk into here, it is a mess. Sorry about that. Allie is organizing her stuff for the week, right? Something like that. This is my bed, that's Allie's bed. We got a mirror and the bathroom. This is a whole bunch of our toiletries. Like I said, we did have to move rooms, so my parents moved all of it for us since we were not here. Closet in here, and the shower, towels, all that. So this is where we'll be staying. We all judged Allie for bringing this humongous suitcase. We're like, why do you have so much stuff? We're literally gonna be there for 2 days, and look at her now.
Who's laughing now? I was a smart one.
Oh, sassy. Okay, that is our life update. We're gonna go do a little workout at the gym and then get our Thai food. I'm so excited. Mom, Dad, anything to say to the vlog?
We have a wonderful location here to enjoy a casual weekend with the bad air quality, and then we'll get into a new house and the fires will be gone and we'll be happy.
Yeah, hopefully. We're vlogging.
I'm gonna take my key and I'm gonna go get my laundry downstairs. That's what I'm doing.
Is she beautiful?
It's exciting.
Can I please wear your blue skirt to out for one of the days of school because I want to wear my new shoes, please, please. Please, please, please.
Yes. Okay, we made it. We are the only ones in here. I'm so excited because I honestly, we don't have to wear masks, and I absolutely hate when somebody, especially random people, watch me working out. It's just not, do a pull up for us. It's not the vibes. Here we go.
There are many things that I am yet to see. Some I witnessed, I just can't believe it. It all works out. When it sometimes doesn't go to plan, you're thrown right across and you get stuck in the sand. somehow. We'll find a way somehow.
We are done. I always work out at home, so I love coming to a gym. I'm so much more motivated. Hallelujah. Oh my gosh.
I'm so excited.
So excited. Okay, it's a little later. I just set out my clothes for the week. Thankfully, finally, and Allie's listening to TikToks, my overpacking came in handy. I have this outfit for tomorrow, my school clothes for the week, a workout outfit, and then pajamas for tonight, tomorrow night, and Monday night. All set out and ready to go. I need to get this all organized and make space for dirty clothes whenever I'm done wearing things. I actually brought 2 swimsuits because Allie and I want to go in the hot tub tomorrow night at this hotel or in the pool, whatever. You have to make a reservation though because of COVID, so that is a bummer we can't go tonight. But tomorrow I'm gonna set out my stuff for school, get my books all in order. But for now, she's forcing me into a TikTok. Hello guys, it is now much later. It's currently 11:30
We're supposed to go to bed early.
p.m. We were gonna go to bed early tonight. Obviously that didn't happen. I just got out of the shower, but we're gonna go to bed. Sorry this was a very bizarre, like jumbled, weird last minute spontaneous vlog. I just wanted to get a video up to you guys tomorrow because I expected to be posting a moving vlog. Like I said earlier, that ain't happening. So here we are with this. I'm going to head to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update vlog, even though it was so weird and random. Stay tuned for hopefully the moving videos coming soon, and I will see you in hopefully those next videos. Bye guys.
Mwah.